Unpack the Swing. Understanding Jump, Jive, and Wail. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that swings right into the heart of American music history. Jump, Jive, and Wail. This expression is not just about the words but the vibrant culture behind it. So, let's get ready to explore its meaning, origin, and how it captures a significant era of music and dance. Jump, Jive, and Wail is made up of three action-packed words that individually and collectively capture a spirit of energy and enthusiasm. Jump is more than just a physical leap into the air. It's about starting something with excitement and vigor. It's about being alive and active. Jive refers to a lively, swinging form of music and dance that originated in the African American community in the early 20th century. It's not just a dance. It's a style of communication, full of witty and playful banter. Wail, in this context, doesn't just mean to cry out in sorrow. It's about letting loose with a powerful, soulful expression, often used to describe the electrifying performance of a musician or singer. Together, these words encapsulate an invitation to dive into life with zest, to engage with the music and dance with all your heart and soul. The phrase, jump, jive, and wail, owes much of its popularity to Louis Prima, who recorded a song by the same name in 1956. This song became an anthem of the swing era, a time when jazz music had a fast tempo, big bands were the rage, and dance halls were filled with people doing the jitterbug, Lindy Hop, and yes, the jive. This era and the phrase itself convey a sense of liberation, joy, and resistance against the hardships of the times. It's a reflection of a society expressing its vitality and creativity through music and dance, despite the challenges it faced. While the phrase, jump, jive, and wail, is rooted in a specific historical and cultural context, it transcends its origins to evoke a timeless energy and enthusiasm. In modern English, it can be used metaphorically to describe any activity done with passion and vigor. Whether you're talking about starting a new project, engaging in a lively debate, or just dancing like nobody's watching, this phrase encapsulates a wholehearted commitment to living life to the fullest. I hope this exploration of jump, jive, and wail has not only taught you about a unique phrase in the English language but also transported you to an era of unparalleled musical and cultural richness. Remember, learning a language is not just about words. It's about the stories, histories, and cultures they convey. So, keep jumping into new experiences, jiving with the rhythms of life, and wailing with your unique voice. Thank you for joining me on this swinging journey, and I look forward to our next adventure in language learning.